Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the project we're going to make today. It's this cute little notebook. What you see, isn't it cute with the cat? And you've got the belly band that comes off, and then you've got your little notebook here, and you can keep that in your handbag for all your important information, or to have your wish list for your new catalogue, whatever. So I have here a piece of Pacific Point that measures 8.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and we're going to score at 4 1/8 on either side. So 4 1/8 here, and then we're going to score again at 4 1/8 there. Okay. So then we're just going to fold on all of our score lines. You've just got to find it, which can be a little bit of a mission. And then you're going to fold on your other score line. Just like that. Whoopsie daisy. And then you've got your little gusset here for your bag. So let's put our designer series paper on first. And this is it here, as you can see. And the designer series paper is the suited, and this measures 4 by 3.25 inches. So looking for some glue. Here's some glue. Okay. There we go. And now we're just going to lift it up and put our booklet on. And I'm just going to use tear and tape to make sure everything sticks down really well. So and I think one across here just to be on the safe side. Use my bone folder to burnish that. This is pressure adhesive tape, and take the backings off everything. There we go. Lovely. And then you're just going to butt this up to the score line that you had. We're trying to make sure it's even side to side, and then fold this over like that, and there you have your cover of your booklet, just like that. And then we're going to do a belly band, and the belly band measures about 1 3/4 inches wide, and I'm just going to just wrap it round and then pinch it here on the sides where it wraps, and this means we'll get an exact for our booklet. So now you're just going to fold where those pinched lines were and reinforce it with your bone folder. So just find them on both sides. I've been filming a lot today, so I'm feeling quite tired by now. This is the 7th video of the morning. And I've also been to the supermarket this morning as well and done that too. So I've been a busy girl today, so I think I'll rest this afternoon. I think I deserve a little bit of a treat. Have a bit of a rest after everything. So I'm going to close it up now, and I'm just going to put a bit of, for ease, I'm going to put a little bit of Tombow there and a little bit of Tombow there. And that will be it. And then we will close these two up together, making sure they're even. Give it a little bit of a bit of a press, but not move it like I did. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so that we've got so far. So let's do a tiny bit of stamping, and we're going to use here just this little piece of scrap of Whisper White. So we're going to use the best GS stamp set. We're going to use the one that says hello, and we're going to stamp in the matching Pacific Point ink. So let's see, hello. There we go. Close this up before I put anything else in it. And then I'm just going to cut off the end with my scissors. Like that. And that will be our piece, just like that. And then I've got here this kitty cat punch. And another piece of the same designer series paper. You can use whatever you want. I just use the same paper. And I'm going to punch out a cat. And now we're just going to have the cat with the sentiment coming out like that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to put Tombow on the cat because I'm liable to put it where I don't need it. And I don't want it to go over. I only want adhesive on the belly band, otherwise you won't be able to move the belly band. So I'm just going to put the adhesive to the belly band, and then I can stick my bits on top like that, and then my belly band still moves like that. And just give it a minute for everything to set, to dry. But there are our two projects. So what do you think? I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, supply list, measurements, etc., it'll all be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!